We're back!
We're back!
We have no fingers. Well, we have fingers, but we're missing a couple.
We have enough to hold on. Oh, what a stupid mirror. I can't even see myself. Hold on.
Lick it.
God, pause the video. I'm taking a piss. Alright. Look at my fingers. Oh, nice little stuff. Is there anything else in here?
He's still alive. That's my English.
How much do you want to bet someone cut off his tongue or something?
And you can't control it.
He said that as you were passing him a thing.
Nobody. He'll find you. He'll kill you. He's coming now. Dragon!
Oh, looked like he was coming right for you.
Right? Dude, he just fucking scared me down.
Them Traeger cheeks. Oh, he's right there still.
Didn't see shit! Bitch!
Wait, why is he looking at you though?
I don't know. I see you, motherfucker!
Yeah. I should have finished you first. Now it's your move.
Should have cut his feet first.
I see what's happening here. You're bored. You want a little attention. Perfectly understandable. I'm here for you. I'll get
See you, bitch! There's no way this works.
Did that work?
No.
Hey, nobody likes a quitter.
What? What the fuck?
Are you kidding me?
This game is accidentally hilarious. No.
Dude, I want to. You look like a bitch. Not even do that to you.
Stick your stump in his mouth. Clean it off. Vent.
Oh my god, he vented.
Of course it does. Can you get in the vent behind you? Or is that where you came from?
Where?
The hanging vent right there.
You can try.
Ew, you're gonna get blood in your blood.
Ah, dude, I hate it when I get blood in my blood.
I think you can move that thing behind you. Propane thing. Or I don't know if you wanted to do that or
Maybe. I'll just push all the way. There's no saves in this game, so... Okay, cool. We'll quick way back. Oh my god, it's locked. Who would have guessed?
hiding spot.
This whole hallway's a hiding spot.
I thought that.
Dude, I thought it was him too.
Where is he?
Don't say anything.
Beep beep boop.
Don't you dare say anything up there. Where's the feet?
Show me the feet.
Yeah, someone's definitely coming. Dude, shut up. Do I just go? Or... Sounds like he's coming.
Oh, I think you're good. And you're dead.
Kill me! Go ahead, fucker!
Oh.
Go ahead and murder me! See what happens! You think I'm scared of anything coming? What? In the rain, my Nazis, you goddamn bastard!
I've been fucked in the brain by Nazis.
I guess I'm running.
I think he's behind you. Wait, what?
I don't know, but it sounds like a chase scene. Why am I going back this way?
I don't know.
The dark. There was nothing there! What was that music? Dude, shut up. No one wants to kill your ugly ass. Might as well try it.
Oh.
Nerd.
Mhm.
I bet he showers naked too.
Whoa.
Hey man,
first
what's
guy?
up? Yep, that was him. Always sounds like someone's coming. Back here.
Very nice.
So glad I can see so much through this hallway.
Speaking of nachos.
Oh, hey there! I see yours! Honestly, getting I'm stealth.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Come on, I see your little butt. Show me them cheeks.
Traeger cheeks.
Hey man, what's good? Oh,
Snippy,
so
snippy.
thick.
I should have got his first.
Somebody just to run for it. Can't see shit.
Sneaky, sneaky.
Imagine this works.
I think he's about to come around the corner.
I know he is, but this part looks a little too dark, so I'm hoping he just doesn't see me. Imagine if this works.
I don't think he's coming. Oh! Stomp, stomp. That's the door you probably gotta go in. The one barricaded. Oh, he doesn't see you.
He didn't see me, goddammit!
Get down, he still doesn't see you.
I'm alive? I have no words. This guy is... Dude, I thought you were a doctor.
Hey,
Hey, buddy!
Na 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 na. Dun 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 dun. Rich. I know Strawberry, he'll never see me. Loser.
He sees you.
Somebody has to lose
Oh.
here. I don't make the rules.
Somebody has to win, someone has to lose here. I don't make the rules.
Sure you don't.
That's a nice window.
I should have got his first.
I'm so tempted just to make a run for it.
You have to make it to the other end of the hallway and then move that thing.
Hold up there, buddy. I'll be ready.
There's no way.
He's like, where'd you go? What the fuck?
And now, book it.
I'll sell you.
What did he say?
I'll sell you your dream.
Oh, she said I'll sell you your feet. I'll sell your feet.
Just go in circles.
Panic button.
Hold up there, buddy. I'll be ready.
God damn it, I did it again. Why do I keep doing this? I'm so sorry. I wonder if I could just go in that door.
What door?
There was a door a little bit behind there.
Somebody has to lose here. I don't make the rules.
Cool. You also don't make subtitles, apparently. There's really no subtitles. Okay, tell me... okay, I'm probably just gonna start hiding in that corner.
Behind you. That way.
Am I able to move that?
Yes. I think that's what you're supposed to do. Keep.
This stupid bastard.
You had time.
I also have this spot. Can you go away now? Oh, look at his long pole. Dude.
He's camping.
There! Now can you go away? I'm legit. Are you serious, dude? Walk the fuck out. Oh my god, it really is. Dude.
He's smart.
Oh my god, fine. You know what? Fine, if you want to play that game. Fine, I'll do as you want.
Close that door by that time. Is it coming?
No. Dude, I thought he was a doctor. He's just kind of stupid.
Or go to the door.
There. I don't know where I'm going.
Not that way. Allegedly.
Hey, what's up? Go there. Where's this go? Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. There's no windows.
Did that work? Might have.
Really?
He was in a stall.
Sorry, I didn't mean to intrude.
He hates that corner.
Is this game a joke or something? Is this supposed? I honestly don't know where to go.
I bet the key's in that bathroom.
There's some. Or I'm just a dumbass. Dude, that fucking scared the shit out of me. Good thing no one can apparently climb vents.
Except for you.
I can't wait till we get to like the final part of the game and it's like people just start climbing the vents. So even the vents are not safe.
Wait till we play Alien Isolation.
Shut up.
Document!
Okay, random ass place for this.
Stall docs.
Hey, I'm reading the newspaper. Don't come in.
Request for reassignment. Dave and Annapurna. This is my third time asking for reassignment after 2 months without an answer. I don't want to work at Mount Massive anymore. I have been orderly my entire adult life, but I've never experienced such a consistent level of secrecy and disrespect. I even have suspicions that some of the patients may be being abused. No. I know personally of 2 of them who have been moved to the basement ward and never returned. If I don't get an answer to this email, I will be forced to resign and may very well consider contacting the press. Thank you for your time.
David Annapurna.
Annapurna.
Hello? Hopefully no one's there.
Hello.
Oh, this was that door that was just blocked off. Is there anywhere else to go? Nope. Take me to church.
Elevator key. Trigger a chase. Yep.
God! That's...
get predicted. Yes. He won't follow you behind corners.
Or, you know, into the last part of an alley. Is he actually coming?
Oh, yeah.
Where did I go in here? Perfect. A dark corner. There's no way this works, dude. There's no way. I don't know. It's pretty dark here. And plus, if I need to, I can just look at the toilet for sustenance.
Yes, you can stay there forever.
Least optimal spot. But you know what? I'll probably get the job done just because it's dark. Hello, Mr. Dave Chappelle.
Might be good. Where is he? Oh! Oh, he saw you.
I see that now.
You stuck under his dress. Oh! Damn.
I'm a squirter! You heard? I've been playing for a little bit anyway.
What if we got a save point from that key? I'm sure we did.
Probably.
Oh, yeah, we did. Let me.
Oh, dude, you have so much time. Just get in there and then close the door and it'll be fine.
Boop. Where did we come from?
The bathroom's over there.
Is that where we came in at?
Yeah. Nice.
Hey.
Now just pray he doesn't check this exact one.
How did we get in this area?
I'm not sure.
That way, jump through a vent. I don't think we can climb back up.
I think we gotta go the way he came.
Probably.
Stop jumping! Jump, jump, jump around. Why not crouch? Nice hands. He's near.
You'll never find me in here. Dancy, 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 dancy.
Oh my god, my breathing is so loud. Good thing he'll never hear or see you, apparently.
Hello?
Well, if he's just in there taking a dump.
That'd be great.
Did we get the document? Because we died?
Yeah.
Right, because I got it before we went there.
Oh, yeah.
You are No! This is gonna work. And that makes me mad. Dude, the amount of hiding places in this game.
Hello? 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 Hey.
Quick, back to your hiding corner. Nice.
No! Naria, I say! That's broken.
That's not.
No!
Sing it. To the dark corner.
Right here?
Yeah, this spot's way too stupid. Good thing he's not chasing after you anymore.
Is he even coming to this room?
He does, but he just doesn't check in any of the corners.
Hey, guy. Alright, now we gotta find this silly old elevator. Oh. Oh.
Nice buttons. It'd be a shame if someone touched every single one of them.
What's in here?
Doo-doo-doo.
Another bathroom.
Doo-doo-doo.
Yes, do-do. Do-do in that room is what you do. Where's the elevator?
Turn around. Down the hallway. Yes. You're sprinting so nicely.
To here?
In that room.
Thank you. Bye. Peace.
Bye, nerd.
I'm not giving up on you.
Oh. Hey. Hey. You weren't here. That's cheating. Oh, now we want to fight back.
Oh!
Of course, the weapon jump.
Oh my god, that's awesome. I hope it just continues on and is it just gonna fall?
Hey.
So, maybe press the button again?
Ah.
Oh.
Ow. Mr. Stump for that. Well, that was that. We killed the doctor!
Yay! Allegedly.
Ooh. Perfect. Oh no. Ah!
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Taint. Nazi taint.
I don't think he was German. He definitely did have a German haircut though.
I don't think it's supposed to be going up.
No, that's where you just were.
Let's close that.
Hopefully no one hears you running down the steps.
Stimpity stumpity.
Stump.
Oh.
Your mom's a rump.
Oh, good. Thick hiding spots. Thick boy hiding spots. Teamwork!
Wait, what? Is that... I don't know if you can give people that kind of award.
Hello?
What is that? Is that a screensaver? That's the
Whoa.
ugliest screensaver I've seen. It's honestly kind of trippy.
Jiggle jiggle.
My screensavers don't jiggle jiggle. They fold. Huh.
Something's gonna come through one of those, right?
No! You're
Okay,
fine.
you're probably right. I'm fine. Doop, doop, doop. Oh!
It's just an obscenely
It's the
long
priest.
hallway.
Oh, is that the priest?
I feared that
Oh, it's a guard.
maniac would
Wait.
carve
No, that's
me
the
up like
priest.
others.
He kinda did carve me up. See my
We're
fingies?
close now.
I don't wanna go with you.
I don't know, I like this Father Martin. He seems like a real cool dude.
You know what, you're right. Oh, that's just a wheelchair. Don't worry.
Thank God you survived. Not for much longer.
Hello?
Ow, my eyes. Oh, bathroom. Fuck yeah.
I love these bathrooms.
Is someone taking a shit?
I wanna dance in the puddle.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Hello?
Huh. There's an eerie fog.
Oh. Eh? Follow the blood. Oh. Well then.
Huh.
Can I touch it? Ow!
Damn, it actually hurt you. Where do you go?
There we go. Okay.
Oh, that must have been real. Dude, touching that must have burned.
All of it.
Did you?
Murkoff took so much from us. Used us.
You know, I wonder, we should have... I bet those notes we could have taken in that doctor's office. I think...
I had my camera out for most of it.
Oh, yeah. I guess this isn't important either?
Burn the whole goddamn thing down.
Well, I guess we're,
Get out. You want to live, you can get
Give me a kiss. You look alright. Can you just follow us and be our protector?
I don't think he wants to live.
Look at your toes are... They look like clay.
They do. I know this because I've been working with clay recently. I don't think you can get through there. You need a fire extinguisher like it just said, Justin.
If you really want to escape, you can jump over that. Don't...
Is that documents?
Where?
Or is that just a lunch tray?
Oh, lunch tree.
Damn it. Stupid ass lunch trays looking like my
Wait, where am I
documents.
supposed to go? This way, I think. Okay. Whee! Nice
the way you just
fingers.
I don't think you can get back out through that way.
Maybe I have to go back to the window I came in and then
Through the window.
to the walls.
Isn't this the way you just came?
No.
Yeah, it is because the
This
guy
way
was
is
right there.
right there. Is it?
No, I was right, Justin.
Is this important? Oh, okay.
Body pile, body pile. This really is
Hey.
Germany.
Hey.
No joke to make here.
Nice.
And now we continue.
Let's close that door.
Do you have a camera out?
No.
Oh, it looks like you
it,
did.
though.
Stupid ass fog.
Hello?
Or smoke, depending on what you want to call it.
Smog.
Fair enough.
Hello.
You're using so many better. It's a Document.
Document.
Gotta catch 'em all.
Psychopathological proximity stress disorder pamphlet. If you're seeing this, say something. There's no shame in psychopathological proximity stress disorder. Talk to your supervisor to get help from a golf counselor. Okay. Is this where it came from? Definitely is. Ah. It's a thick passage. Why is it saving? There's no water in the system. You must first turn on 2 valves.
Why would I want to do that?
And there's a locker. Okay.
There's lockers everywhere.
Hello.
Most of the time these go unused.
Yeah. Oh, it's a thick boy.
Do you want a piece of dough?
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Hey man, what's up?
That man's the only dough I want. Hey, dough
How's your
boy.
day been?
Wait.
Tell me, look, he doesn't look like the Pillsbury Doughboy. Wait, does he have any chains on him?
Change?
Chains. Are they on his? Are those chains on his wrist? Yeah, they are.
Okay, Kratos.
That's why he's making that shing sound. They shouldn't be making that kind of sound though.
Because they're tight on his wrist. They're not jingly.
Oh, she was just walking around with like chains hanging off him. Like he just broke out of solitary confinement.
They got you on video,
Whoa!
bitch.
There's something there. They let him hang and drip the blood out of him. Oh my god. These guys are fucked
Bathe
up.
in it. What you doing? Okay.
Hey, how you doing? Good thing you can't get through this tight ass spot.
Tight squats.
Oh, I thought that was all it was gonna be.
Oh.
Whoa!
Hey man, is there a valve in here?
Somebody's very dirty, isn't he?
Really? Not noteworthy? Okay.
Every little crevice until we find that key. I know one of you babies has it! What the fuck?
Sprinkler valve! Release!
We have to wash every.
Who's a clean baby? Who's a clean? Oh god.
Please go. It's so eerie.
We did it!
Be a shame if he came crashing through that wall behind you.
Jiggle jiggle. Oh.
Be a shame if you heard that. Good thing Mr. Chainman's right there. Bucket, maybe?
Shh. I am the cart. Yes.
Wow.
Agabagaboo!
What did you just say?
I don't know! Help! You can't climb, bitch! You're too fat!
I don't think he has to climb, Justin. He has dark vision!
Zigzag!
You can see in the dark!
Zigzag!
I don't think I did shit.
Please don't! I'm just a little boy!
I have bad news. I think he saw it.
Okay, I scared him. Run!
Wow, that's actually a good strategy. Quick, hide in the
You
locker.
turn the thing! We did it! Give me a safe.
Use the lockers!
Jump!
Hashtag locker strat.
Hey!
Oh, you just got dejawed. Oh. Never mind, you got your head ripped off.
Here you go. I wonder if it saved.
I
when
have to
hit
donkey. I hope not. Because that means he's right behind me. How far back am I?
Do we have one turned?
How far back am I?
Hit start, see your objective, or select, or whatever it is. Maybe it tells you how many we have left. Turn on the sprinkler system. Okay, we don't. Wait, is that. Didn't we have. Turn on the 2 valves. We have to do them all in one go. This is gonna be fun. There's the jiggly man. Jiggle, jiggle. Nah.
We've been recording almost an hour in this game.
Nice. Hey.
It'd be a shame if he saw me rapidly moving.
Run to the tight hole.
Or go slow.
Or do you want to get the tight hole one last? Which one do you want to go for first?
Well, the tight hole one's more secure.
Winky, winky.
Shut up.
What is that? Oh, that's the laundry room. I think that's where the one valve is.
Yeah, it is.
You're good. Stealth.
Just fucking slam it. Okay, sure.
I'll hit the valve and hide in the locker right there, maybe. Why no stealth?
Dude, there should be an... You know what? You can probably shut it slowly if you,
Hold it, maybe?
Yeah. I must record this for my vlog. I wish there's a way to kind of like peek out the locker. Alright, he's coming. What the hell is Claire making?
Some kind of banana heart Nutella thing.
Pineapple banana.
No pineapple.
She has pineapple?
No. No apple.
Oh. She called them pineapples.
No, maybe they are.
I think he's close. Do. So I just can't justify going out right now.
Okay.
He's definitely been in here.
Yeah.
Oh, he's right there. Hi, how are you? Okay.
Did he come for you?
He went into this first room, but that's it.
Sorry.
He didn't even go into the actual laundry room part of it.
It feels like
What a loser.
biscuit dough.
Limp Bizkit? Oh, what a great band. Oh my god, look at that pudgy gut. Keep walking, there's nothing in here you've already checked. Definitely no one hiding in one of the lockers. Did Just never see what was back here? No, he didn't.
Think I should save this dough?
Yeah, but put it in the fridge. Not in the freezer.
Jiggle jiggle.
Oh. Is he really just gonna be patrolling this hallway? Hopefully he doesn't hear me. Oh, look at that belly.
Where's Trent?
No, after the game.
Again?
Tonight, right? I'll make me Uber up there.
As soon as he turns, I'm leaving.
You missed it. You didn't see the German doctor tape.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh. You're the enemy, shut this off!
Oh yeah, what do you...
Which way are you gonna go? Which way are you gonna go? This way or this way? Huh?
I don't think he's gonna go any of the ways. The fuck? Oh wait. Why is he...
You're about to get flanked, boy!
Why is this working? He must have had a lobotomy.
Lobotomize these nuts, nerd!
He didn't like that. What?
Hey!
He looked at you!
You ain't looking at my zombie! See ya, bitch!
You still have one valve, right?
Yep, right through here. And he can't do shit about it. Get wrecked, nerd. Stupid ass cunt.
Very nice. Did you bring your ducky? Huh?
Yeah. Too easy. Yeah, I'm gonna report you to the news. Creepy ass hoe. Really? He
Well,
just
probably he's just not camping.
You said, what'd you say?
Love how he's not camping. Why wouldn't he? Oh! Of course he's on your path.
Well, good thing I know exactly how to avoid him. Ka-chow!
He's scared of the dark.
Nerd. Imagine being afraid of the dark.
We should have played on nightmare difficulty.
No, he probably would have chased you everywhere.
See ya.
He didn't even... Oh, okay. You making a run for the sprinkler?
Yep.
He goes behind you. Let's go to the...
He's really coming.
Oh. No, he ain't.
Hope he gets you.
He's scared of the dark, obviously. Oh! No, he's
No,
not!
he's not! He's alive!
Ah, Sabinia, where the fuck am I going?
Flank him and go around to the fat hole that he can't get through. The little...
This one?
No, there's another one back there past the sprinkler room.
Yeah.
Oh, you might be alright. Let's go to the sprinkler now. Yeah.
Really? I'm
Take a
sorry.
left, right there. Now, get out there, take a left to go to your hole. Behind you.
So. Oh, I didn't even see this.
What are you washing?
There's a fire in the cafeteria we had to put out.
What he said.
Ah.
Where's that guy's?
There's definitely a fire here, right?
Yeah.
I hope so. Look at it.
I mean, guy. There was definitely a guy here, right? God, you cunt!
I about hurt myself.
I about shit myself.
I went to take it off my cigarette.
Can I hide in the fridge?
Flipped it.
Aww.
I think that was the guy in the room, wasn't he?
Yeah, that was.
What a dick.
He was. Real good that does me.
Are we back at the main floor?
I have no idea. You want to take over?
You got a map now?
No.
No.
Maps aren't real.
Guess that was a main part of the story. Oh my god. This seems kind of...
Oh, look, we can just leave. I'm sure that's gonna happen.
Oh!
Oh, it is happening.
Yeah, I was not ready for that.
Is Father Martin out there?
I don't know.
I have a feeling that's not where we're supposed to go.
I'm leaving. Screw you guys, I'm going home. How alive are you? Oh, no.
What?
Documents. Our own personal cavalry. I don't even know your name, but I've come to think of you as one of my blood. My paw. I hope you don't mind, and I hope you don't indulge the vanity of self-pity, the fear that your suffering is more than others. We all must endure this, and you're nearly done. There's no way to heaven but by the cross. And every man needs another to help drive the nails in. I'm here for you. I'm waiting ahead. Okay.
Is that written by Father Martin?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Did it say?
He left that for us.
I sure hope so, or someone's a real creep.
Hmm.
I think that's just for the thing.
Why is it echoing?
Because it's dark and there's not really any sound.
Is there gonna be an enemy here?
No, I think it's just dark to scare you. Well, it is raining and he's running in the rain. Father Martin, where the fuck are you?
Is there something behind me? This door needs a key.
My eyes
I
need
got
a
stuck.
surgery.
Oh, hey, that's why. Oh, you alright?
Looks like he's got his head on backwards.
That's good.
Silly goose, you're supposed to turn.
I can't see!
He's a little silly goose. You know why? He put his head on backwards. What a silly goose. That's probably why this is still open. You just buzzed at me.
MK Ultra! General problem. Oh. One, general problem. For the past several months, Bluebird has been endeavoring for research study, instruction, and some practice what value, if any, can be derived from SI sleep induction and hypnotic techniques when applied to war. Of course, this game's talking about MK Ultra. It's real. Oh.
Wait, what's MK Ultra?
It's the government that turn like ex-soldiers and stuff into killing machines by fucking them up.
Nazis.
Can we create by post-stage control an action contrary to an individual's basic moral principles? Can we guarantee total amnesia under any all conditions? Can we alter a person's personality? How long will it hold? What are full details of sleep-inducing machine? MK Ultra! Let me in!
Oh, it did.
Disgusting. No.
Damn, bitch. You live like this? Do you really need the light?
I'd like a battery.
Maybe if you didn't use all of it.
Is that where
That's
I
where you
came
just came from.
Okay. Oh, it's not.
Did you just jump down?
I'm not dying from fall again.
When's the last? Oh, right. When was the last time that happened?
I'm gonna jump in the sewer hole.
Right.
It has to be out here somewhere.
Maybe.
Oh, splish splash.
I was taking a bath. Doo doo doo.
Batteries? Wet batteries? So I got the document. Okay. What is happening around these parts? What the fuck?
What is that?
An illusion.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
There's someone on the bench.
No. I don't believe it. I want to get jump scared. I'm not doing it. I'm scared. Hello? You okay? Where'd he
Oh
go?
man, this is kind of scary. I don't like it. I'm telling my mom. Mom, it's scary.
Where am I going? Am I gonna die?
Probably. That's okay.
In the dark.
Let me in.
This door needs a key.
Why?
Probably because it's to leave.
Hello? But if key not here, then where?
These notes? Oh no, that's the only thing I can think of.
Give me the nuts.
Oh, excuse you?
It must be down here. Oh, I'm alive!
Huh?
And you can't see.
You actually did that. Is that where to keep back up?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is probably where you need to go. There's gotta be something else down there, right?
Is that a key? It's a battery.
2 batteries.
Ooh.
Picked up 2 batteries. She was right.
I probably put him here because it's outside somewhere. Damn it. Should we pause and look up ahead?
No.
Right. Keys, batteries, anything? You want to explore the outside?
No, you can't.
I don't wanna. Okay.
You got this, dude.
Maybe it's in the fountain where the creepy guy was.
I hope so. I love that dude.
Key?
Oh, this is the same. Wait a minute. Yeah. This is the same part that Trigger showed you before he took you in the elevator.
Oh. Oh!
See, you didn't need a guide.
Okay.
Yet.
Battery. That's a plus.
Something's gonna happen when I pick that up.
No. Probably something's gonna happen when you enter the maintenance shed.
Or open the store.
Or both.
Or turn my light on. Oh, it's the ghosty. Oh, hello. Oh, God.
That's just Father Martin.
Call 911.
He's a little possessed. I think he's still flashing when you put it in.
He can't get through that gate, the ghost. Yes, very
If
good.
only.
Hello. Stop it! Ah! The fuck?
Ghost.
Can we not? Yep. Okay.
Can't see you. You can't see me.
I can't do anything about ghosts. Let me have the
Those
letter.
aren't my specialty. It's big, burly dudes that are.
Yeah, and Nazi doctors.
Yeah. I'm okay at taking out those, but ghosts scare me, man. They're a little terrifying. When do you think we'll be able to go to the female ward?
Is this the path over?
Yeah. Dang. Hope you were supposed to
Oh,
go
it's
that
another
way.
ladder. Good thing this camera is very waterproof.
Yeah.
Shimmy, shimmy? Yeah, shimmy, shimmy.
I might have gone shimmy shimmy.
So you shimmy off the edge.
Onto the barbed wire?
That never happens.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
Why are you so good at this when it's raining?
Platforming! Ah! Yes.
Nice crack.
Thanks, G.
Time for a little bit of a drop down.
Got it, help. Thanks, pallets. Oh.
I think this is the wrong way. Ow!
Right?
Yeah.
Reloaded!
Really? Oh, you had full battery.
What? It was beeping.
Oh.
You, sir, are naked. Probably cold.
Is that a female? Why are there only males here? What did the males do wrong?
Stop crouching, mister.
Whose?
What's happening?
God damn. Ooh.
Oh, you can almost see his junk.
Mmm.
Which one would you like, you freak?
Mmm.
What do you ask?
How do I know you're not a patient?
Did you say bleed with him? Or bleed for me?
Are you Silky guy?
Silky? No, that's not Silky. Silky doesn't say anything but Silky. Silky is Silky, okay? Leave
You
Silky.
can try that door.
Prison. This door?
No. Back the other way.
Oh.
Turn around.
Splish,
What's
splash.
the other one?
This door? That's right. Wait.
No, that's...
Is that where I came from?
No, but that's the gate that you couldn't get through.
Mmm.
Silky? No, not Silky. Silky? No, not Silky.
That's the way you just
Oh,
came.
yeah.
Oh,
Okay. It was.
never mind. I like
Look,
it.
everything's
That's a-
dark and confusing.
That way. Right there. Is that the door?
No.
Thanks.
Cross for everybody.
Okay, Jesus Christ. I'm easy, no.
Wait, it's still in.
No.
Ah, what?
Oh shit. What happened?
Did I do it?
I think you got Clara, we're trying to record a video here. Oh my god. Or maybe it's just like, this is taking you too long. Please don't die.
Wait, that's where I came from, right?
Yeah. That was where you first entered from.
Then do I go back down?
I guess you can try.
Hey.
Well, there's a door right here, so. Oh, there's a door that you can't enter right here, at least. My god. This video you had to put a seizure warning on.
Okay, this is the one I came through.
Yeah.
Dang it.
God dang it.
I put seizure warnings on shit.
You have a seizure, it's not our fault.
Check.
Shouldn't have had epilepsy in the first place.
Yeah, nerds.
We're awful.
Probably.
All for us.
Wait, did I just go back to the beginning?
I don't think so.
Okay. Do I hear chains?
That's not Silky.
I am the stealth.
Sure. Don't worry. Okay, I'm pretty sure he can see in the dark, dude.
Oh, now he doesn't mind the darkness. Okay.
Yeah, wait a minute. Maybe this is a different guy.
Call 911! Help!
Maybe the other guy was patrolling the light areas because that one was afraid of the dark.
Oh, what?
Whoa, that was just blood.
Go across the bridge. Confuse the shit out of him. Can I really not go up this? Oh, God. Hey, buddy.
He just wants to give you a hug, okay?
Let me in. Ah! He got me. Bye. Do it. Do what you gotta do, man. There you go. Next save point. It will be in the video.
Alright, I got this. He did it because he sucks.
I've been murdered.
Now I'm gonna start going this way. The way he did it, though.
Good idea.
Oh, found this. Whatever.
Oh, it's a hiding spot.
Safe spot. It's my safe place.
Wait, can you climb that? I tried that! Whatever!
I'm just spamming the shit out of the A button.
Then do 10 more minutes, Claire, not 20. 10 more.
Oh.
What happened?
He climbed up there! I tried climbing up there.
Have you tried not sucking? That's called choking, dude.
Oh.
You did. So you gotta start sucking.
Like a baby turtle.
Like a baby turtle.
I'm not real sure how much baby turtles suck, but okay.
Stupid ass baby turtles, they suck a lot.
You'd be surprised. I know, I was
If
surprised when I found out.
if normal babies can suck a lot, then so can turtle babies.
I think you got jumped.
Damn!
Okay.
All I did was press A, okay?
On the dumpster, no.
All I did was press A.
You didn't even trigger tons of fun. What the fuck? I call shenanigans. Hidey hole.
That's not good.
My back row was.
No. You're in a new section now. Well, that's where you have to go. He's just blocking it.
Oh, the controller turned off.
Oh. Unplug it, plug it back in. Those controllers are weird, man.
Stupid ass controller I just got you for Christmas. I want to return to my game and have weird physics. Excuse you?
What the hell's happening?
Now this is a little bit interesting now, isn't it? I'm now in it.
In it. Bruv. Go run! Run back to the spot.
Run towards the chains!
Yes.
My turn?
Yeah. But we can't fit under that little hole.
How do you sure grab my asshole?
Oh, you get to go in the female ward.
Father Martin would be in the female ward.
You're right, he only goes for little boys.
He'd be in the boy ward.
See him there?
Hello? Oh,
Hello.
oh, blood fountain. Is it the fountain we were just at? Yeah, it is. I didn't know it was a blood
I
fountain.
don't think it. No, I think that's different.
Oh.
Yeah, that's definitely different. It's red because of all the females.
Really?
You're the one on your period.
No.
Oh. You were on your period.
Hey,
Splish
you got
splash, I was taking a bath.
That's noteworthy.
Well, it's a fountain of blood.
Don't drink the water.
Okay.
So much blood in the water, I could smell it. Like putting a penny in your mouth when you're a kid. The whispers are making more sense. I'm looking for static. It's like an itch.
Oh god, we have the itch!
7-year itch?
Battery! Wet ass battery.
Perfect.
Lab.
Wet ass battery. Wet ass pussy. Excuse you? Hello. It's a me, Luigi. Let's go.
Yes. Ooh.
I found an entrance. I fell off the entrance. Oh, Father.
It saves. I think this is a good spot.
Whoosh. Goodbye.
Farewell.